happen?
What always happens?
She know what she need, all I need, all she blessed, giving me my best, got my heart on the sleeve, knife, that was with that, money with my love, I'm not my brother, that's my shit, Metro made the beat, so you know that it's gon' slap, tough, run it back, talking to a diva, yeah, she on my nerves, she think that I need her, I kick her to the curb.
I gotta go, Andon, come get the GoPro from the POV. Come back. You need a POV GoPro. He's gonna kill it way out there. Oh my God, he killed it. I'm gonna go get the other quad. Yep. That didn't take long. No, now it's a trampoline. What's up, bitches? Hey, look, you could be doing. Dude, that thing hurts so bad. Start. Oh. Bro, what happened?
So anyways, I got a little squirrely with it and I literally ran over my left foot.
Oh, Will almost just ate it, dude.
I literally almost just died.
I gotta see if I got that on the video.
You see that?
Yeah.
I was going like full speed and stuff.
I thought you died. I thought you got off and your leg was like,
you were still going.
I was gonna go to pass you.
I didn't. I thought that was your boot laying on the ground, not your hat from far away.
Stop, so I slammed on both brakes. Did you?
Yeah, that would have been such a bad way to like lose a leg. Yeah, I lost my leg on a mini bike.
Or nothing flying at me 50 miles an hour. Get some wheelies.
I got a really good shot, Andon. What's leaking? Somebody's leaking out of it. I saw when he did that. Dude, you can upload the video tomorrow. Quit jumping.
Look at what you just did.
Oh, hi.
Come on, Whack. Is this the first time you're riding it this year?
Yeah, baby.